Welcome back to the farm for another project. If this is your first time, I hope you enjoy. So what we're doing is we're sitting out here at my International 460 tractor. Now my neighbor, who also happens to be the one that runs the wood mill that I get the majority of my lumber from, has even more of a love for these tractors than I do. So the next project we're gonna be doing is kind of a carving for him. So let's step inside the shop and show you what I drew up, and let's get it carved. All right, so here's the sketch that I come up with. So we got an old Farmall tractor here, and then of course the Farmall International Harvester symbol there. So I've kind of added those together, but what I've done is I've actually made these where they're going to be pocket tool paths. So this is actually going to kind of carve down into it, and I put the background red just so you can kind of see the character of it. So if I come down here and actually turn this, you'll be able to see that the tractor and that symbol are actually going to be protruding up out of this little carving here. So instead of engraving it into it, I'm going to carve everything down around this. So it's going to take a little bit. It's going to be about an hour and a half total carving time. As you can see from all my bit selection here, I got quite a few of them that I'm going to be going through to really kind of capture all the detail, like in the grill and the tread on the tires. So let's go ahead and get this thing out. We'll get the machine homed and let's start carving. All right, just got the X, Y, and Z all set. Let's go ahead and get this carving started. So we're going to start off with a 1/4 inch bit, and then we're going to make our way down through here. So then we're going to drop down to a 1/8 inch. Then we're going to drop down to the 1/16. And then we're going to come back and go with the V60 for all the extra added detail to kind of give it the curve and some character to it. So let's go ahead and get the main part of this cut out here and get things started. Just move this machine out of the way here. Man, the detail came out just awesome. I have just a little tiny bit of sanding I'm gonna have to do, kind of clean up these edges a little bit on the actual symbol here, but man, that turned out awesome. A little sanding done. We'll kind of cut this plaque out and we'll go give it to the neighbor.